Okay, so I'm going to do one more example with trinomials, and this one has a leading coefficient of 1. And so in the last video I talked about using the AC method. Well, it turns out that if the leading coefficient is 1, then the AC method becomes very simple. And in fact, you really don't even need to do the decomposition. Okay, and I'll show you. So if this is 1, then when you do the AC method, you're just going to get 4. So you're just going to end up finding the factors of this constant. So let's just do that. So let's find 2 factors of 4 that add up to 4. Well, that's going to be 2 and 2. So notice what happens here. I'm going to rewrite this by decomposition. So this is going to be x squared plus 2 plus 2x plus 4, right? And so now I'm going to do my grouping. And now I'm going to factor out an x here, so this will be x times x plus 2. And I'm going to factor out a 2 here. And I'm going to get an x plus 2 here. And of course I get my common factor. So I'm going to factor out an x plus 2. And I get x plus 2. Now I'm not interested in so much of what I got, that I got the same thing. That's not the important thing. Look at this. Those match. So let's do another one. Let's do x squared plus 12x. Oh, hold on. Let's do let's do this one. So let's do the AC method again. So 1 times 18 is just going to be 18. So the 2 factors of 18, that will give me 11 is what? 2 and 9. So I'm going to decompose this. So it'll be x squared plus 2x plus 9x plus 18. And so now I'm going to do my grouping again. And now I'm going to group these two. So I'm going to factor these two. So I'm going to factor out an x. So I get x times x plus 2. And then over here I'm going to factor out a 9. So I get plus 9 times x plus 2. And now I'm going to factor out the x plus 2, right? So I get x plus 2 times x plus 9. Look at that. Same thing happened. So guess what? If the leading coefficient is 1, all you have to do is find the 2 factors that add up to the middle term, and that gives it to you. So let's do one more. Oops, no, I don't want to do that. Okay? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to find two factors of 36 that add up to 15. And so those factors are what? 3 and 12. And so now this is going to decompose into this. And I'm done. Prove it. Check it out. That's it.